Welcome guys, welcome to my free digital marketing course. Today going to be very interesting. Today we will be talking about various core concepts of digital marketing. Yes, today we will learn what is digital marketing, search engine optimization, blogging, affiliate marketing, etc. in brief. Okay, so let's start. Subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos and follow me on Instagram to clear your all doubts. Let's start. Hello everyone, welcome to my free digital marketing course. So this is an introductory lesson. So we will learn an introductory part of this today. So let's start it. Okay. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is simply promoting any product or services digitally. For example, Apple has launched his iPhone 12. Now he has to promote his iPhone 12. How he can promote? There are two ways: traditional marketing, वही banners, TV ads, paper ads. This is the one way by which he can promote, and the other way is digital marketing. How he can promote using digital marketing? So it is so simple. He can place ads on Google, YouTube, Facebook, websites. He can make his own websites and promote it. So these are the ways. If we promote using a digital, using internet, then it is said to be a digital marketing. And if we promote using the traditional ways like posters, banners, TVs, newspaper, then it is said to be a traditional marketing. Okay, so digital marketing is very important. It is very better than traditional marketing. Okay, so let's learn some difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. So traditional marketing, if you see newspaper or this, their reach is very limited. अगर आपने बैनर देखा होगा तो एक बैनर जहां पे लगा हुआ रहता है, उस बैनर को सिर्फ उस एरिया के लोग ही देख सकते हैं. बट फॉर इन द केस ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, if you are living in Surat, then you can promote it globally, in USA also, in Sri Lanka also, in Noida also, in Canada also. You can promote it globally. So digital marketing's reach is global, while traditional marketing is limited. In traditional marketing, reach is also limited, but you have to have very high investment. You know newspaper ads, it is very costly. You know banner ads, it is very costly. You know TV ads, it is most costly. So it is very high investment. But in the digital marketing, it is very cheaper. Within 100 rupees, you can create magic to your business, to your product, to your services. So this we will learn in the digital marketing. There are many points also that traditional marketing has no specified target, while digital marketing has. What are specified targets, and what this we will learn in the next few lessons. So this is the introductory part. So let's move to next slide. Let's talk about what you will learn in the course curriculum. So what I am doing right now, I have divided my whole course into 5 parts, into 5 important parts. And in today's lesson, I will give a basic introduction to you of these 5 parts. And after that, we will going with the practical lesson where you have to implement with me. Yes, where you have to implement with me. If you are not ready to implement with me, then leave it right now. Because I am wasting my energy, I am wasting my time, utilizing my time for you. So you need to practice it with me. So in this today lecture, I will give you a brief introduction of these 5 topics, and from the next one we will start practical lessons. Okay, so the first is we will learn career in digital marketing. After that, website designing, blogging, then search engine optimization, and social media marketing, and affiliate and email marketing. So let's me introduce one to you one by one. Career in digital marketing. Digital marketing, if there is a career, then it must have a digital marketing. For example, if you are a teacher, then you should know digital marketing so that you can promote your Google, your services. If you are a business owner, then to promote your products, you need to have digital marketing. If you want to do jobs in digital marketing, then there are plenty of jobs available. Believe me, there are very much jobs available. You can be a freelancer. So what you can become after digital marketing? So you can become an entrepreneur, means you can start your own business, you can start your own company. Like me, I am having company which is a digital marketing agency. Okay, so you can also create your company, you can also open your business. Second, you can be a freelancer. There are many freelancing jobs available in India, so you can become a freelancer and earn a quite good money. Then third thing, you can become a blogger. Blogger is very important. By blogging, you can do affiliate marketing or you can do AdSense. What is AdSense? That when you write the blogs means what? If you search on the Google digital marketing course, then what you will see the result. If you click on it, then what will the information present there is simply a blog. Okay, so we will touch this in deeper in the few chapter because blogging is very important. So when you have a specific traffic, जब आपके पास जो है कुछ अच्छे जने आने लग जाएंगे, तो Google will pay you. Google will pay you money so that this is the blogging, and you can also do affiliate marketing. So we'll talk about it. So let's move to the next slide. So in 2000, there are 460 plus million internet user, 250 plus million social media active users, and by 2021 it will cross 800 million internet user. So you can understand India is moving towards digital world. So there is very scope for digital marketing. Everyone is finding job. I want to do job, I want to do job, I want to do job, I want to do job. But they don't know that digital marketing will give you a job, a best job. And if you are a businessman, then you can grow your business using digital marketing, because it is important in every part. Whether you are a businessman, whether you want a job, it's whether you are students, digital marketing is very important. So digital marketing, yeah. Future scope of digital marketing for the one who want to do the jobs, then there will be 20 lakh jobs available in digital marketing per year. So guys, it is a huge opportunity for you. Don't leave this course. Complete it, complete the assignments, and I'm guaranteeing you that if you complete all the assignments, if you move with me, complete all the assignments, complete all the lecture, give 2 hours a day. I don't want anything else. 1 hour for the video and 1 hour for the assignments and practical things. You will definitely get a job, and at the end you will also get a recognized certificate. Okay, so you will definitely get the job. This is my promise, because no one wants certificate. If someone wants certificate, then it means it does not know about digital marketing. So you must have to practice what I am telling to you. Okay, and you have to perform the assignments. So there will be many jobs in digital marketing. More than 20 lakhs jobs are waiting for you. Okay, so if you see this, then Naukri.com now has 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 72,000 jobs. Shine.com now has 1 lakh 27,000 jobs, and Times have 2 lakh 94,000 jobs, almost 3 lakhs. So this is for now. Now the day is becoming digitally. Everyone wants digital. If someone is opening a business, then he wants a digital person to operate this. It's so simple. So there will be a many jobs. It is for clear. So it's a best opportunity for you. I am giving this 60,000 premium course for free. It is the same quality one. So please, I am requesting you that do seriously. It will not take much time. You have wasted many times. 2 years, 3 years. Now I am saying to work hard for 1 month and see the result. There are many jobs available. We want to make India Atmanirbhar India. Okay, so let's move on to the next. So the second thing that we will be discussing it, designing your website. Yes, after learning this course, the first topic that we will be touching is designing your dream website. If you go to Google, you see many websites. So how they design their website? So you can also design the websites. I will tell you. Wait. So you can also design your website. I will tell you how to design your website. Okay, so this is the first thing that we will be going to. The second thing we will be going through is blogging. What is blogging? For example, I will tell you, if I go to Google and if I search digital marketing course, then I will see these things: first, second, third. If I click on okay, so this is not. If I type any questions, for example, what is digital marketing? Then you will see the first one. We will click on it, and this is opening. It will take little time. So this is what a blog is. So how to write this blog, how to make this type of website, how to publish it on Google, that we are going to learn in this course. So how you can earn money? You can earn money by Google AdSense. Okay, Google will pay you. Google will place ads on you on your website, like you are seeing this ad now. So Google has placed this ad and Google is paying him the money. So this is how you can earn money. Or else if you are a businessman, then you can make your own websites. So this will be helpful to you. So this is blogging. Okay, so we will move to the our slide. So blog is an article or the information content about a certain topic on internet. Like we have typed digital marketing, so the blog appears. What is digital marketing? Okay. So what is blog writing? Blog writing is also called blogging, which means writing an attractive and information blog for your website. So this is blogging and we will learn it. It is a very important part. Okay. So the next one is search engine optimization. It is my favorite. What is search engine optimization? I will tell you. So let's again go to Google. If I search here digital marketing course, so what I will see that this one is ranking first on Google. That is so this one is ranking first on Google. It is Learn Digital with Google. So ranking first on Google organically. Organically means एक तरीका तो है आप पैसे देके एड के द्वारा ऊपर आ सकते हैं. Means this. So this you are seeing this symbol ad. So they have paid money and they are coming on the first website. So it is a one way, and the other way is search engine optimization, that you optimize. Optimize means you change your content according to search engines, and then you will become on the first position of the ranking. So how you can do this? This is called search engine optimization. So we will learn it. It is a very, very important part, because if you are ranking on the first page, then you will get much traffic. कई सारे जने आपके पास आएंगे और आपके पास ट्रैफिक आएगा, तो फिर तो सब कुछ आप बहुत चीजें कर सकते हैं. Google will also pay you. Google will also place ads on your website. Okay, so this is simply called search engine optimization. The next thing that we are going to learn is social media marketing. So have you seen my ad? I have placed ad of this free digital marketing course in Facebook, in Instagram, in YouTube. So I have placed ads. It is very cheaper. So I have placed ads and you click on it and you come to this my free digital marketing course. So this is none other than social media marketing. What is the why social media marketing is most important? Because everyone is there in social media marketing. The second thing, okay, I can choose that if I want that my students will be from age from 18 to 22, then I have option to choose in Facebook that I want to show the ads only the students who are between age 18 to 22. मेरे पास ये भी ऑप्शन है कि अगर मेरे को सिर्फ बिजनेसमैन वाले को सिखाना है, तो आई कैन मेक द एड टू ओनली बिजनेसमैन. ओके, So this is very, very good. We will learn how to place ads, how to do marketing, how to design the website, how to write the blog, how to do search engine optimization. Yes, in this free digital marketing course. So be with me till last, complete all assignments. Practice is most important. I am saying it again and again, and I will definitely say afterwards also again and again, because digital marketing is all about practice. You cannot see it theoretically and you can perform all these things. So first 1-2 lecture is little bit theoretical, but after that we will start practicing. Okay. Next thing is affiliate marketing. I think most of you know, but affiliate marketing is my favorite. Affiliate marketing, which I earned approximately 5 lakhs per month using affiliate marketing. Yes, it's true. I earned approximately 5 lakhs per month. And many are earning. It is not very difficult. You are doing IIT, you are preparing for GMAIN, G Advanced. It is very, very difficult. But with affiliate marketing, it is very, very easy. So what is affiliate marketing? That if you promote other person, for example, if Apple is there, if you promote Apple products and if someone buy from your affiliate link that Apple product, then you will get the commission. For example, I buy from you, from your link, iPhone 12. It will be cost 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So 10%. So 10,000 will I will got from you. So this is simply affiliate marketing, that promoting other products or services and getting commission in return. That is simply affiliate marketing. But product is the owner. Product जो है वो किसका है? ओनर का है. और आप उसकी मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं और आप मार्केटिंग के पैसे यानी कमीशन you are utilizing. Okay. So affiliate marketing is most easy and we will learn how to do affiliate marketing. Okay. So let's move to the next slide. This is complete. So this is we will be going to discuss throughout the course. So the most important thing, I am again saying to you that practice is the most important, is the key to success in digital marketing. I have read many articles, many videos. I have seen wasted many money, but I didn't get anything till I haven't practiced. So practice is the most important part of digital marketing. So guys, practice with me. Okay. So complete all the assignments that I am giving to you and give at least 2 hours a day. That's what I want. That's simple for your career. You should give 2 hours a day. Okay. And if you are not serious, and if you don't want to practice, then leave it right now. Okay. So best of luck for now. We will meet in the next